Inside this spray bottle, I have a homemade detangler that I use to detangle my son hair. This is the best detangler I've used. I've spent money buying detangler, but none is as good as this. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at that. Wow. So you'll be needing aloe vera. I bought this aloe vera from one of our local store here. So check out your local store if they say aloe vera. And do not forget to remove the thicket before you start using. The next step is to go ahead to wash your aloe vera. Wash properly to remove the dirt. After washing, I'm going to place it on my cutting board and start cutting off the parts that I will not be needing. I'm going to cut off the tip, and also I'm going to go ahead to cut off the edges. And then I'm going to cut into cubes. The next step is to go ahead to scoop out the gel. That is what we'll be needing. Be careful when using your knife. Aloe vera gel is very slippery, so be careful not to cut your hand. Use spoon instead. This is what we have. So the next step is to blend your aloe vera. I'm using my hand mixer to blend. You can use any blender of your choice. After blending, set aside for it to settle. After some minutes, this is what it's looking like. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead to strain. The reason why you strain is to remove the dirt, the lumps, and other particles that might be left in it. So the next step is to transfer into my spray bottle. As you can see, I have some left. I'm gonna use that as a leave-in conditioner. So this is my homemade detangler. This aloe vera homemade detangler is the best detangler I have used on my son's hair, and also I use this on my hair too. So if you are looking for a detangler to easily detangle your kids' hair, your hair chemical free, tears free, I advise you to try this out and thank me later. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.